Alright, it's time for a new shower head. You don't even need any tools for this. You just unscrew the old one. Woo! That was chilly. And then you grab your new fancy adapter. Don't worry about this. You just screw that on there. Get her nice and tight, but not too tight. Want to make sure that's pointing down. And then you just grab your fancy little new shower head thing. I like to attach this beforehand. Just makes it easier. We just screw that baby up on there. You can always back it off. Check and make sure you got it on nice and straight. Once you're nice and snug, plop that in there, and wham bam, brand new shower head. Now you're a plumber. We'll see you next time.